We have just learned the man IMPD is looking for in connection with that deadly hit and run had been arrested not long ago. Police say 20-year-old Omar Lopez hit a woman with his car on the south side last week and then drove away. Anastasia Sandlin died. Now, a witness to that accident followed the SUV, then chased the driver when he stopped and ran off. We checked court records and found Lopez was arrested in April and charged with operating while intoxicated, possession of a controlled substance, and similar offenses. He was released from jail. In fact, was even scheduled to be back in court next week. If you've seen him or know his whereabouts, please call Crime Stoppers. You don't have to give your name. Phone number is 317-262-TIPS.